Yung tamang paglaki ng business. For me, it's what I call organic growth, no? Ano ba yung organic growth? It's a kind of growth na pareho dun sa plant, no? Ang growth nanggagaling dun sa loob. As the tree grows, mapapansin mo na bawat growth niya nasusuportahan ng roots at suportahan kanyang trunk. At bawat growth niya, pinapalakas siya doon sa loob, no? It's not the kind of growth na hinihila from the outside. Kasi kung hinihila from the outside, pwedeng weak yung core at hindi makakayanan yung growth, no? So, that's a good example of growth na healthy, no? Kasi kung, let's say, yung business diversify into other areas, hindi naman kaya i-manage nung core or business or hindi kaya i-manage ng organization, tiyak yung magkakaroon ng problema or hindi kaya ng cash flow or hindi kaya ng systems, tiyak magkakaroon ng major problem yon, no? So, the kind of growth that is healthy is really coming from the inside. Tandaan natin, the factors that must be there is a healthy cash flow, organization that's well-built na able to handle the growth and expansion. And then number 3, the systems that are needed in order to make the processes work must all be there, no? So, if those are not there, it may be an unhealthy kind of growth na hindi masusuportahan from the inside.